This is for cake. And then this the desk car. And I have and I got a beat. What? Cut that for me. Cut that for me.
That's not a real fruit. What did you do at the table, Will?
I chewed at the table.
You chewed at the table. You're not supposed to toot at the table.
And I got a big one. A big green one. And then cut that for me. Cut that for me. Cut that for me.
That's a pear.
Pear, I got pear.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
Apples.
You had waffle? Did you like your waffles?
No, I had milk in the morning.
Who made
Cut
your
that for me. Cut that for me.
Who made your waffles?
Mommy.